Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a delicious dessert. This dessert is a Mexican dessert and it's called Fresas con Crema. It's different than the American version, strawberries and cream, and it is absolutely amazing. This dessert is great to take to parties or even if you just want to have it for an at-home snack. You can make it and eat it right on the spot. You don't have to cook, you don't have to bake. So I hope you enjoy.
The first step is hand washing. Then you're gonna need your strainer. You're gonna need this to wash your strawberries in. Then you're gonna need strawberries and a bowl for mixing. Then you're gonna need a cutting board, also a spoon for mixing, and a knife. The next thing you're gonna need is your whipped cream, your Mexican cream, or whichever you prefer. I prefer Lala, but they were all out. And then you're also going to need your sweetened condensed milk, and this is the one I used. The next step is picking the stems off of the strawberries, just like I show you here, and you're gonna do that for all of them. Then you can get rid of those stems so they're out of your way. The next step is cutting your strawberries. Now you can cut your strawberries however you prefer to eat them. This is just how I prefer to eat mine. And when I cut them, they basically turn out looking like this. And you're gonna continue to cut until you've cut all your strawberries. I put a few to the side just for the aesthetics. You'll see in the end. Now here comes the easy part. You just open your cream and then you pour it in. You can put as much or as little of this in as you want. It's all up to you, but this is what I put in to begin with. Next, you're gonna grab your lechera and put some of that in there as well. And now the mixing process begins. So now you're just gonna mix it around with a spoon. I thought the strawberries were looking just a little bit dry, so I decided to add some more lechera in there. Then I continued to mix it until it was all blended perfectly. You can stop here and eat it just like that, or you can be creative and decorate it if you want.
Alright guys, so that is how my fresas con crema came out. Remember that you can put however much of each ingredient that you'd like. It's to your preference. You can switch out your ingredients, your type of cream and your type of condensed milk. It doesn't have to be the ones that I bought. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.